What you see here on the screen is the PC800 BendWizard program that utilizes the latest PC-based technology with a Windows-based graphical platform to upgrade CNC controls on all different types of CNC press brakes. Along the top is a simple set of buttons that allow you to easily navigate the BendWizard program. When your materials and tooling are set up, the program allows you to virtually do single-screen programming as seen here on the Bend screen. You can simply and easily create and save a part file as follows. First off, to program a new part is very simple. You simply click on the File, New, Select Tooling screen. Move to the Bend screen. And to program a simple 2-bend part with 90-degree angle, 1/8-inch thick metal, 10-inch width, and 4-inch leg as follows. Now for the second bend, I can just simply copy in the data from the first bend and fill in the new angle of 135 and the new leg length of 8 inches. And that simply you have just programmed your first part. The operator can then save this part in much the same way as you save a Microsoft Word or a Microsoft Excel file using any legal Windows character. And note, the radius and back gauge setback are automatically calculated. Now if you want to add a picture to illustrate the part bend for the operator, you simply click and import a standard graphics format picture as follows. What you've just seen is the first method of programming in the BendWizard program. The second method allows the operator or offline programmer to graphically program a part and then simulate the tooling and part to assure that there are no collisions or problems with the part before actually making it. We'll illustrate that by quickly and simply programming a simple box program as follows. And you'll see the part taking shape on the left-hand side. Then once I'm satisfied the part is programmed correct, we will click here and the part file is automatically generated with the images for each bend. Your next screen is your punch screen for creating and modifying your punch or upper tool library. You can either program a punch manually, or the simplest way is to click and directly import a DXF from your tooling manufacturer as follows. The die screen is similar to the punch screen, where you can manually input data for a new die or again automatically create one from a DXF file. The manual screen is shown here where the machine operator can calibrate the back gauge and the RAM, and also you can selectively jog an axis on the RAM or back gauge as needed for setup or maintenance purposes. The maintenance screen is designed to be simple to understand, displaying plain English error messages. Whenever there is a machine fault, the maintenance screen turns red and tells the operator specifically what machine fault has occurred. The maintenance screen also provides the ability to view all of the digital inputs and outputs from the control and to the machine. The parameter screen is designed to quickly and easily input parameter changes that might be required from time to time to adjust the machine's performance. Each of the machine axes parameters can be seen in the default view-only mode with a click of the button, but permanent parameter changes can only be made when a supervisor's password is utilized to allow those changes. And one of the most important features of the BenWizard program is the ability to remotely connect to PC controls for online troubleshooting and help with the click of the remote support button. When you click on this button, you will be connected to a PC controls technician who can then see your machine remotely and assist your maintenance and operations people with any sort of question or problems that they might be experiencing. The note screen is used to give direction to the operator about how the particular part he is working on should be tooled and run. The person programming the part can easily input both graphics and text to provide a user-friendly and helpful guide for running a particular part file. With the note screen, you have the ability to input a spreadsheet to guide the operator for tooling setup, an AutoCAD view to depict bend order, or any other type of helpful text or graphics information to assist the operator in quickly setting up his part and bending the part correctly the first time. Lastly is the material screen. In this screen, one can easily create and utilize an unlimited number of material types and also build into each material type automatic corrections needed to compensate for varying material lots. And these automatic corrections will accumulate with the corrections made in the bend screen to provide a powerful tool for bending each part the first time correctly and with the correct bend angle and leg. And finally, the BenWizard can be operated in either inch mode or metric mode with a click of a button, depending on the kind of parts you are processing. The BenWizard program has numerous other value-added features throughout the program designed to make programming and bending sheet metal parts quick and easy, but hopefully this short video has given you a useful overview of how the PC-800 control with the BenWizard programming software can help your company improve productivity, lower scrap, and improve the quality of parts that you are producing for your customers, and ultimately give you a competitive advantage in your marketplace.